the introduction of deferrable views, also known as defer blocks. This was introduced in the latest version of Angular, which is Angular 17. With this feature, we are able to reduce the initial bundle size of an Angular application. This results in a faster application that improves the speed of the initial load and core Web Vital results. Using the newly introduced deferrable views, we get to lazy load the list of items available in our store with a single line of declarative code. Let's take a look at this in the browser. As you can see, we are now on the landing page of our projects. Let's take the position of a new user coming to this page. At first contact, the user types in the website, which gets to reload. And as you can see, we are presented with a beautiful spinner while the data is being fetched from the backend. This is an example of a deferrable view. The impressive thing about this is that all the intricacies of this feature is taken care of by Angular, which leads to a great developer experience as well as a great user experience. In order for dependencies with a defer block to be deferred, they need to meet two conditions. First, they must be standalone. Non-standalone dependencies cannot be deferred and will be eagerly loaded even inside of defer blocks. And secondly, they must not directly reference from the same file outside of the defer blocks. This includes view child queries. So if you are using the old versions of Angular, with these latest updates, you should consider upgrading your application so you can have access to these very powerful features.
If you want to keep learning about how to build real-world apps with the latest technologies and other career-related topics, then start right now by subscribing to our channel and liking this video.